First thing we are going to learn is how to enable the shortcuts. So you need to go to settings, then click on all settings, then just do Ctrl F under the general tab, Ctrl F keyboard. So you will go here, just click on this keyboard shortcuts on and click on save. Okay, so this is first step. It will enable your keyboard shortcuts in your Gmail. Now what to do while you do the while you use the shortcuts. So there are some general shortcuts which you use. Suppose you are in a mail and you want to compose a new mail, you will just click on C. So it will pop out another window and you can see this see the new mail. You are in the mail and you want to reply to that particular person. Okay, so here is the person sender. So if you click R, it will compose a reply. If you click A, then it will be a reply all. Here there are no other persons who are mentioned in the CC. That's why there is only one mail. One more is forward. If you want to forward this mail, just click on F. So this mail will be forwarded. As you can see here, it is a forwarded mail and this is the mail which is inside. Another thing, while suppose you are forwarding this mail, you want to keep somebody in CC. So just click Ctrl Shift C. So it will add CC field. Ctrl Shift B, it will add BCC field. Suppose you are typing something here and you remember that you want to compose a mail and you want somebody in the CC, then you can click on CC. Ctrl Shift B is BCC, Ctrl Shift C is CC. So this is using those shortcuts. Suppose you are going to send this mail now. So if you click Ctrl Enter, then it will directly click on send. So it will send the mail. You don't need to manually go here and do this. Now if suppose you want to delete this mail, then just click on D and it will be deleted. So I'm just going to click and do undo. Okay, so these are some shortcuts which you can use. Now scrolling through the mails, what you can do is, if you want to see all the mails, then just click GA. So it will go to all mails, which includes spam mails, updates, all the stuffs, not just the primary inbox. If you click on GI, then you will go to the inbox which you have selected. If you click on GB, you will go to the snoozed mails which are snoozed by you. If you go to GT, then you will go to sent mails. So whatever sent mailbox is there. If you go to GD, then you will go to draft mails. So these are some shortcuts which you can use daily basis and you can save a lot of time. Thank you so much. Next thing which we are going to learn today is how to use templates. So there is a new option of creating templates here. These are 4 templates which I use. Call me tomorrow, between so and so, so and so. So suppose this is the shortcut. This is the mail which we generally send to candidates who send the CVs to us. So what we can do here is we can do it one time. Wherever you have kept it, you just paste it here once. Go to this place, go to templates, save draft as templates, save a new template and then name it. Okay, so let's say ABC is the name which you have kept for this particular draft. Now wherever there is a reply, wherever there is a mail and you want to reply that, so supposing this is the mail and you want to reply with this particular template, what you can do is just click on ABC and it will appear here. You need to take care where you are keeping the cursor, because if you keep the cursor here by mistake also, then it will insert the template here. So it is coming after the slashes. Okay, so that should not happen. And if you want to delete the template. There is an option of deleting a template. Delete a template ABC. Okay, so that's how you can use templates. Shift U is the shortcut for marking it as unread. Mark as unread. Shift U. So that's one more shortcut we can learn. One excellent feature of Gmail is you can enable offline mode. So even if you are not connected, you can use some of the mails, some of the features. All features will not be available. First feature which is not available is to enable this option. So you will need to be online to enable this option first. Otherwise the settings option will not come and you will not be able to do that. So here it is offline mode. Enable offline mode. Create a bookmark for offline access. Create a bookmark is the best way to reach Gmail when offline. To create a bookmark, go to your inbox and press Ctrl D. So a bookmark will be there, so Gmail will come. So don't worry. Here I have clicked option of 7. There are 30 and 90 option. Download attachments. Keep offline data on my computer. Data stored on your computer will not be deleted when signing out. Okay, click on save changes. Now I will go offline and show you what we can do with this 7 days mail. So let's go. So now I am offline. See the airplane mode. I'll open one of the mail. If I will just go on the mail and click here, you will show something like, you will see something like this. What you can do is click here, download the file and open it. So you could do that, right? So let's see if I reply them clicking R and sending thanks. Okay, so I'm now, this will not be sent, it will be sent later. It is showing. Now what I want to do is I will go online again and I will check in the sent item whether it is still there. So hold on, let's go to sent items and check. See, it's gone. Sent mails. So this is how you can use Gmail offline feature, which is very useful if you are in flight or if you are at a place where network is not there. At least you can make use of mails which are lying in your system. That's how you can make use of them. Thank you. One useful feature is schedule send. So this is my mail. Here you need to click beside send, there is a small icon, schedule send. Click on schedule send. Supposing I am composing this mail on Sunday and I want it to be delivered tomorrow morning. So what I can do is I can define time 10 a.m. so that it appears on the top. When somebody opens the mail, it should appear on the top, because if it is sent at 10 o'clock, then it will be appearing on the top. So that's one advantage which you have by using schedule send. So thank you so much for listening. Another great feature of Gmail is using filters. So on the bottom of this page, I'm in the settings, and in settings you need to go to filters and blocked addresses. At the bottom of this page there will be an option of create a new filter. I'm skipping this part in the video to avoid the display of the email addresses which are there in the filters. When you click on create filters, it will show something like this. So you can do from filter, which I usually use. There are some other options also. Subject has the words, size is greater than so and so, so and so, has attachment, doesn't include chats, whatever that. So you just click on create filter, and here what usually I use is this one. I apply the label of client to the client email address. Here, if the label is not there, then you can create it here. Okay, nesting under any label, so it will be like folder and subfolders, so label and sub label. So if you are doing something under CA, then it will appear under CA as a sub label. So if suppose I am applying that as client, also apply to the 15 conversations. If I click on create filters, now what happens is my label will appear here. So when my label is appearing here, I can color them out. Supposing this doesn't have any color, so just it will not be apparent, but when you click here, it will show you the labels. So here it is showing show if unread. Here, if you want to give colors, you can give colors. So it will appear like this. So I will hide. You can hide something where there is no unread mail. So this will go. This will go. So you can work around how you want to use your labels. Okay. These are team members, so I will use label of @. If these are client, then I will use exclamation mark so that it appears in the front. If I use @, then it will appear here. Then there are other digits, other names by which the other labels are there. So it will be alphabet wise. So this is how you can use it. Hope it will help you out. Next thing, Google Meet. There is an option of hiding the Google Meet option, which is shown here on the left side. If you want to show it, then you can just click on show the meet and it will appear over there. So let's see how it looks. Here, new meeting, start now, allow me to use your camera and microphone. My camera has started. Okay, connected. Present now, your entire screen, a window, a tab, a window, a tab. So I'm choosing entire screen. Now here it comes automatically, so I'm just sharing it. Stop sharing. Present now, a window, so I'll choose one window, then click share. You're presenting your screen to everyone. Click here to return to the video call. Stop presenting. There are options, turn on captions. These things are developing, so you can just see what options have been there, what options are coming. So Google keeps on inventing things, so it's always useful to explore the options in the current settings. So this is how it looks. Okay, fine, that's it. Here are people, add people, invite. So that's it. Should I exit? So that was Google Meet inside your mail. If you want to enable or disable it, as I said, in the C settings, here is chat and meet. Hangout I have already disabled. This also I am hiding because I don't use it frequently. Thank you so much for watching. Make India Smart.